Hi, I am Sheila Mabel Palomino, 18 years of age, live in Frederica, City, currently studying in Polytechnic University of the Philippines, taking Bachelor of Science in Business Administration, major in Human Resource Development Management. In past 2 years, I've been teaching students in related subjects in two major public schools in Fairview. I also catechizing out-of-school children. In this kind of experience, it made me develop my leadership skills and comfortable to communicate and educating others. I also have knowledge in relating to Microsoft Word and PowerPoint presentations. If you're looking for an employee with a fast learning, accountability, trustworthy, focused, organized, honest, and I am suitable for your company. Thank you for watching my video.